No. Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
You're not okay.
Okie dokie.
Nung nandito kami, 33 degrees nung isang araw. Napakainit. Ngayon, what? It's probably 12 degrees. Ah. Ayan. Oh, may nakita tayo. Umakyat yun eh. Babae pa naman. Right? Oh, tumatakbo. See? I didn't know that.
Hudson Bay's over here.
They're building boats before.
Hudson Bay Company.
Ang ganda rin ng mga history nila. Oh. Yan. Kasya yan doon sa inyong likod. Okay. Let's go out. So ito ang Indian Battlefield Park. So this is the battlefield. Imagine niyo yung during the war here. I don't know the history, pero I'm imagining yung mga Native Indians, and sabihin na lang natin mga scouts. Scouts meaning yung mga puti yan. Let's go over there. Yun, ano yun? Yan. Pero ang daming kids, ano? Yan, marami ng mga nagpipiknik ng mga bata. Malapit na ang end ng pasukan eh. Oy, oh, see, bus nga. Marami na silang picnic, maraming outing sa mga bata. Pati matanda. Ayan, it's by the road. Pathway. Yeah, this was built in 1909, between 1907 and 1909. 1,600 meters long. Saka 95 meters high. Taas, ano? Pure steel. Walking under the bridge. (1917). Look at it. Kalio, no? 95 meters high yan. What's in there? Oh, yeah. Oh, sa railway. Oh, these things.
Pag minsan nasakay sila pagpapasok pa lang.
Oh.
Para hindi na sila maglalakad.
Lots of history here. What is this? May motor pa yan, ano? May flood din dito before, oh. That's the original one. Cart. From up here looks like an eagle. I don't know.
No.
Let's take a look more. Hindi, no? Let's go here on the other side. To get in here is by donations. Yeah. Open daily. Oh, they are still being used though. Oh, strange. Ginagamit pa pala itong bridge na to. Akala ko hindi na. Now you know. Pero haba pa ng train. Yan ang end. Marigolds and kamote. Looks kamote, ano?
It looks like it.
Malarbos ka. Left or right? Ah, putik talaga. Oxbow Loop. Makita tayong ox. Yung battlefield. Eh? Ito ang kulang sa atin, yung mga walking pathways, ano? Pilipinas, sarap sa ano. Kasi kalimitan sa atin, yung mga ganito may bayan.
Oo, yung ano, yung organized na ano.
Bayad pa yun.
Siyempre, sino gagastos ng ganyan?
Sa Old Man River. Tignan natin ang Old Man River. Mga kabarangay, umaambon, no? Can you see that? Umaambon na, mga kabarangay. Look at the tubig. Ito overflow. Yan. Mga kabarangay, let's go. Iconic bridge na hawakan din. Solid na solid pa, oh. Yeah. Iwanan na ako ng aking mga kasama. Wait for me! Yan, punta tayo doon sa taas. Doon sa lookout. Punta tayo. Kamusta inyong mga tuhod? Inhale, exhale. Yan, matibay ito. Bakal siya. Woo-wee, baby! Mga seniors, how is it? Masakit sa tuhod, ano? Oo.
68.
Lahat po ng inyong nakikita ay hindi kayo ang may-ari. Ah?
Yeah. Hindi kami ang may-ari.
Hindi kayo ang may-ari. More stairs. Yan, few more steps. Okay, balik na tayo sa baba. Kunin natin yung bling bling. Fool's gold. Is that what it's called? Fool's gold? Yeah. Commander! Huwag mo kaming iwan, Commander! And the winner is Commander. Commander, nanalo ka na naman. Inabutan na kami ng ulan. Umuulan na, yan ang totoo, hindi na pipito. Oo. Lakos. Lakos. Pati mga estudyante, yan, basta naka-shorts pa yung iba. Yan. Run! O yan, tumigil na bro. Tumigil na. Oop. Ayan. Yan, that ends our cloudy, rainy tour. Boy. Gulf number 8 mine. Let's see where it is located. It's way out there. What's that in front of you?
Milkweed.
Milkweed.
Showing milk.
That's right. And there it is. Kung sa atin yan, may aakyat pa niyan, ano?
Backing is solid. Solid.
Oh, they're all hollow. University of Lethbridge. Science Commons. Nice building.
The land's too valuable.
And here we are at the end.
Are we gonna walk around here? No.
No, no, not really. No. We're going to see the deer. Look at the deer. Woohoo! That's him. Look at him.
That's in university. Long-haired ones.
Long-haired hippies.
Yeah.
And this is a Tower Grill revolving restaurant. It's not that high, pero here it is. So ano masasabi ninyo yung pagkain dito sa ano?
Very good.
Tower Water Tower Grill, ha? Nasarapan kayo?
Yeah, we even have takeout.
Take out, take home, yun. This is so nice. We recommend it. Yan, tuwan-tuwa yung tatlo. Thank you for the supper, ha? Busog na busog ka, Guillermo. Very good.